The dream to have the fleets of cars is still expected, is still available. The vision to have the biggest ministry is still possible. The dream and the passion to have that biggest media outlet is still available. Whatever the dream is, it is still possible. If you don't touch the expectation, you can still have the manifestation. I want you to, we're going to pray again for 5 minutes, heatedly. A songwriter said that I will not settle for less. I know that there is more that is found in you. No, the devil wants you to take the second option. But God always stays with the first. I want to let you know this morning that God has not changed his mind about blessing you. I want you to know this morning that God has not shifted from his last promise. But you've got to do it. You have to throw in your best. You have to give it all you've got. And I will never settle for less. For I know there is more that's found in you.